This might be the most radical breakthrough in the history of flight, and almost no one realizes how close it is to reshaping the entire world of aviation. For more than a century, we believed that flying machines had only a few possible shapes. A helicopter with a giant spinning rotor on top, a drone with 4 or more propellers buzzing loudly, a plane with long wings relying on forward motion to stay in the air. But what if all of this was only the beginning, and a completely different method of flight was waiting quietly in the background, misunderstood and forgotten for decades? Imagine an aircraft that can rise straight up, glide sideways, rotate without leaning, and stay perfectly level in the air as if defying physics itself. A machine that hovers with such precision that it can shift direction instantly without a tilt, without a tail rotor, and without the loud chopping noise that we have accepted as a natural part of helicopters. It sounds impossible, almost like something stolen from a science fiction movie, yet it is real, tested, and being refined right now. This revolutionary system is called cycloidal propulsion, and what it promises could rewrite the rules of aviation forever. At first sight, a cycloidal rotor looks nothing like the blades we have grown used to. Instead of wide, flat, horizontal propellers, you see a rotating drum equipped with vertical blades that spin around like the paddles of an old steamship wheel. As the cylinder rotates, each blade changes its pitch multiple times per revolution, carving the air with precise control that produces thrust in any direction the aircraft needs. The effect is astonishing. Instant, multi-directional control while the aircraft stays completely horizontal. A cyclopter can glide forward, slide backward, shift sideways, or spin in place without dipping its nose or banking its body. It doesn't tilt like a helicopter or swivel heavy engines like a tilt-rotor aircraft. Instead, everything is handled by constantly adjusting blade angles with incredible accuracy. Although this might feel like a futuristic invention, the roots of this technology reach back more than 100 years. In 1909, Russian scientist Nikolai Zhukovsky proposed an air vehicle powered by a looping array of rotating airfoils, a concept so ambitious that engineers of that era were stunned by its complexity. The engines of the time could not provide the necessary power, and mechanical designs were too crude to allow precise pitch control of every tiny blade. But Zhukovsky's imagination planted a seed that refused to die. Throughout the early decades of the 20th century, inventors across Europe, Japan, and the United States tried to build cycloidal aircraft. Some looked like flying barrels with strange rotating drums on their sides. Others resembled farming machines with multiple spinning arms. A few experimental models managed to lift themselves marginally off the ground, proving that the concept was not just theoretical. But most attempts ended in failure because the mechanical systems were too heavy, too slow, and too difficult to synchronize. Many inventors became subjects of ridicule, accused of making exaggerated claims or faking results because the world simply wasn't ready for this level of complexity. By the 1950s, cycloidal propulsion was practically erased from aviation research. It was labeled a dead technology. Fascinating, but ultimately useless. Yet the core principle itself never disappeared. While aviation moved toward jet engines and traditional helicopters, the idea found new life in a completely different field: marine engineering. In the 1930s, Austrian engineer Ernst Schneider created a rotating marine propulsion device known as the Voith-Schneider propeller. Built around the same principle as cycloidal propulsion, it replaced traditional ship screws with a circle of rotating blades that could instantly change pitch. Tugboats and ferries equipped with this system suddenly gained extraordinary maneuverability. They could slide sideways toward docks, spin on their own axis, and perform movements that no conventional propeller vessel could match. Harbors, offshore platforms, and rescue vessels quickly adopted the technology because of its unmatched precision. Over time, the Voith-Schneider system became a marine standard, proving that cycloidal propulsion was not just functional but incredibly reliable under harsh, high-stress conditions. This naturally raised a question among engineers. If the technology worked beautifully in water, why not bring it back into the air? But the challenge was massive. Water is dense and provides natural resistance, giving cycloidal rotors something to push against. Air is thin, unpredictable, and unforgiving, requiring much faster response times and incredibly lightweight components. For decades, aviation simply didn't have the materials or the computational power required to make such rotors efficient in the air. But the world eventually changed. Electric motors became lighter and more efficient. Carbon fiber composites replaced heavy metal structures. Digital flight controllers became powerful enough to make thousands of adjustments per second. As these technologies matured, engineers realized that the foundation for cycloidal flight had finally caught up with its ambition. Modern cycloidal systems eliminate the maze of gears and rods used in early experiments and replace them with electronic controls. High-speed servos adjust the pitch of each blade continuously, guided by sensors measuring wind, balance, and thrust in real time. Microprocessors perform calculations that early pioneers could not have imagined. This evolution makes cycloidal propulsion not just possible, but potentially disruptive for future aircraft. Unlike helicopters, which depend on tail rotors, swash plates, and complex mechanical linkages, a cyclopter uses blade geometry alone to control motion. There is no need to tilt the entire engine or rotate massive assemblies. This decreases mechanical wear, reduces points of failure, and makes the aircraft more stable in challenging flight conditions. Another major benefit is noise reduction. Traditional rotors generate powerful tip vortices and intense turbulence, which cause the loud, familiar chopping sound of helicopters. Cycloidal rotors generate a smoother, more uniform airflow, allowing them to operate at lower speeds while still producing the necessary lift. This means future urban air mobility aircraft could fly over cities with a fraction of the noise produced by traditional drones or helicopters. Nobody wants cities filled with constant buzzing or the ear-splitting roar of spinning propellers, and cycloidal propulsion offers a quieter solution. The system also brings inherent redundancy that conventional multicopters lack. If one rotor fails on a classic quadcopter, the aircraft often becomes uncontrollable. But a cyclopter can redirect thrust in its remaining rotors almost instantly by adjusting blade pitch, making it far safer in emergency situations. Such flexibility is invaluable for future passenger drones, rescue vehicles, and cargo aircraft that must remain stable even in the worst conditions. Of course, cycloidal propulsion comes with challenges. The mechanical systems that control blade pitch are complex and operate under high stress. The rotors tend to be heavier and more expensive than simple propeller systems. Current prototypes consume more power than optimized conventional designs. Yet engineers remain confident that these issues will fade as materials improve, control software advances, and motors become more efficient. One of the companies leading this new wave of innovation is Cyclotech, formerly Cyclorotor, based in Austria. For more than 15 years, the company has been developing aircraft powered by advanced cycloidal rotors, systems they call cyclorotors. Their prototypes look unlike anything else in aviation. Sleek, compact bodies supported by 4 spinning cylindrical rotors, each resembling a smooth mechanical drum. Instead of the usual blur of rotor blades, you see rotating cylinders humming quietly as their internal blades shift pitch multiple times per revolution. Each rotor spins at more than 3,000 revolutions per minute, with computer-controlled adjustments occurring thousands of times every second. The result is flight behavior that seems to break the rules of physics. These aircraft can hover effortlessly, slide laterally as though gliding on invisible rails, spin 360 degrees in place, and remain perfectly level no matter how they move. Cyclotech's vision is clear: to create a new generation of electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft that operate efficiently in tight urban environments with minimal noise and maximum safety. Their prototypes have already completed rigorous tethered and free flight tests, earning regulatory approval in Europe for additional trials. Investors have taken notice, pouring millions of dollars into the development of this unique propulsion system. Cyclotech believes that cycloidal rotors could eventually power not only small drones but large cargo aircraft and even passenger-carrying air taxis. Marco Pieringer, the company's chief development officer, summed up their mission with remarkable clarity. Their goal is to create CO2-free, electrically driven propulsion solutions that serve humanity by transforming mobility in both aviation and automotive industries. Cycloidal propulsion's real-world advantages make this vision believable. It allows unparalleled omnidirectional control, something essential for rescue missions, urban flying taxis, and precision landing applications. Cycloidal aircraft can remain incredibly stable in gusty winds, a major challenge for traditional multicopters. They can land on extremely small pads, maneuver through tight spaces, and even hold their position in the air with surgical precision. In future cities where dozens of airborne vehicles may share the same route, such control could mean the difference between safe transportation and aerial chaos. Skeptics often argue that simpler solutions already exist, pointing to electric multicopters like the Jetson 1 or the AHang passenger drones that are already flying today. While those systems certainly work, they operate with fundamental limitations: high noise levels, limited maneuverability, and reliance on high-speed propellers that create turbulence. Cycloidal propulsion trades simplicity for unmatched performance. It is like comparing a bicycle to a sports car. Both can travel, but only one can achieve greater speed, stability, and precision once the technology matures. The Cyclopter is a reminder that innovation often blossoms from revisiting old ideas with new tools. A century ago, materials were too heavy, motors too weak, and control systems too primitive to allow cycloidal propulsion to succeed. Today, lightweight composites, powerful batteries, and advanced processors make it not only viable, but potentially revolutionary. What once existed only as a brilliant sketch in the mind of early aviation pioneers has now become a functional machine carving its presence into the modern skies. There is something poetic about this rebirth, a technological redemption story where an idea mocked and dismissed for decades returns with renewed strength, ready to redefine the future. Cycloidal propulsion proves that innovation does not always require inventing something entirely new. Sometimes it demands the courage to revisit forgotten concepts and reinterpret them through the lens of modern knowledge. If development continues on its current path, the next generation of urban aircraft may look nothing like today's helicopters or drones. They may be quiet, compact, extremely maneuverable machines capable of operating safely in crowded cities without disturbing the environment around them. Imagine emergency drones weaving effortlessly between buildings to reach accident sites faster than ambulances. Imagine delivery drones hovering silently outside your window without the buzzing noise that drives neighbors crazy. Imagine air taxis taking off from rooftops, moving smoothly across the city without leaning, shaking, or disrupting the skyline. The possibilities stretch beyond what current aircraft designs can achieve. The evolution of the Cyclocopter, from obscure invention to modern prototype, reveals just how far human ingenuity can stretch when the world is ready to listen. It connects the dreams of early inventors with the technological capabilities of today's electric aviation revolution. And while there are still challenges to overcome, from energy consumption to mechanical complexity, history suggests that persistence and innovation always win. Just as impossible-seeming ideas once gave us helicopters and jet engines, cycloidal propulsion could unlock the next leap forward in vertical flight. These strange spinning cylinders may look unconventional, even suspicious at first glance, but they could eventually stand beside the most important inventions in aviation history. Cycloidal propulsion is more than a new method of flying. It is a declaration that the future of flight may not spin the way we imagine. It is an invitation to rethink what aircraft can be. And most importantly, it is a reminder that the next revolution in aviation may come not from the world of fantasy, but from a forgotten idea finally meeting the technology it always needed.